May I know kung saan po nagastos yung 125 million? Was it spent in accordance with the rules, regulations, and protocol on the expenditure or on the use of confidential funds?
Yes, Mr. Chair. As indicated sa accomplishment report po, na-liquidate naman po nila based on confidential expenses as required by the joint circular po.
Bakit nag-issue po kayo ng notice of disallowance?
Mr. Chair, as to yung first finding, meron po kasing specific requirement ang joint circular na document na hindi po nila na-submit or nag-submit sila pero hindi po sufficient siya to answer the requirement of the joint circular, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Yung 125 million, parang ginamit po yan in 132 areas.
Hindi po ba sa tingin ng COA medyo kwan ito? Medyo imposible?
Based on other, parang okay lang
Kami
naman
po ay
siya.
gumagamit din po ng intelligence fund. Ay nanggaling po ako sa service.
Mr. Chair, ang identified lang po ay number of areas pero pwede din pong i-consider yung kung ilang tao po yung pinag-spendan ng funds, Mr. Chair.
But the liquidation report does not say so. In-assume na lang ninyo yun
Mr. Chair, meron po silang submitted na mga documentary evidence.
Okay.